Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Swing with Toy. It's so good to have you back here again today. I just want to appreciate every single one of my subscribers. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the shares. Yes, it's really encouraging and motivating. So today I want to talk about, we're actually going to do a DIY today, and that has to do with the settings of the machines. Okay, this is one of my machines that I use, okay, in my workshop. This is one of my machines, and it's an ML machine. It's quite new compared to the others that I have, and I realized that this machine is so fast. It speeds up, it's so fast. My workers, the people that I work with, they generally don't like to use this machine because it's very fast. So I'd actually called a technician, and every time you call a technician, they charge you. So I went to my machine and I went to compare it to the old ones. I was like, why is this one so fast? What's the difference? And I was able to discover the difference and what I needed to do, because I called the technicians to help me with the other machines. Okay, and when you're calling the technicians, is a lot of money. So for we designers, for we tailors, it's something you can do by yourself, DIY. It's easy, and that's what I'm going to take us through today. Okay, so just come ahead with me, come along with me. So this is the machine. Okay, this is the table that holds the machine top, and this is the bottom of it. That's what we're going to be working. We're going to be working down here today, okay, to adjust the machine. Okay, so if you see this place, I try to put light here so that it will brighten up this place and we'll be able to see what I'm trying to explain. So this is the clutch motor. Okay, this is the clutch motor of the machine. Then this is what we're working with. You see the clutch motor, this is the foot pedal. Okay, this is the clutch motor here, and this is the foot pedal. Okay, the foot pedal is actually facing up. It's supposed to be perpendicular. The foot pedal is supposed to be perpendicular to the floor, but because it's facing up, the pulls on this thing more stronger. So what we're going to be doing now to reduce the speed of the foot pedal is we're going to increase the length, okay, of this rod. And to increase the length of this rod, we're going to be using this spanner, okay, the spanner 15, they call it 15, but this one is 14. So we're going to use it to open this bolt here. I'm going to use spanner 14 to open this bolt. If you see it, I'll open it. Okay, when I open it, I'm now going to drag this down a bit. You can see it dropped immediately. I released it a bit. Drag it down a bit and do what? Make sure that this part, this one here, this pedal is perpendicular to the floor. So let me just go ahead and do that and come back and show you. I'm going to put it back and fix it and show you. So I finished fastening it. I've tightened it. Okay, and you can see it's a bit softer. It's more softer. Okay, what determines is that this foot pedal, okay, should not be facing up at an angle. Okay, if you want it slower, just make sure that it's perpendicular to the floor level. Okay, so thank you very much. If you enjoyed this channel, if you've learned anything from this video, please subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.